Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sydney Forks, a charming and picturesque community nestled in the heart of Nova Scotia. As you drive through this scenic area, you'll be captivated by the natural beauty and rich history that surrounds you. Sydney Forks is located on Cape Breton Island, known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. The name Sydney Forks reflects the community's historical roots, as it was once a bustling hub where two major roads, the Sydney Road and the Grand Lake Road, intersected. This strategic location made it an important crossroads for trade and travel in the early days of settlement. The area was originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq people who have lived on this land for thousands of years, and their rich cultural heritage is still celebrated in the region today. As you continue your journey, you'll notice the lush greenery and rolling hills that characterize the landscape of Sydney Forks. The community is surrounded by beautiful forests and is not far from the Bras d'Or Lake, a UNESCO biosphere reserve known for its unique mix of fresh and salt water. This makes it a haven for wildlife and a popular spot for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy hiking, fishing, and bird watching. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Sydney Forks offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the heart of Cape Breton's unique charm.